Hey, Liz Vidrine here. Here's a quick Module 5 introduction video discussing information and content that will be learned in Module 5. So, Module 5 deals with estimating population parameters, including proportions and means, and also looks at determining sample size. How large of a sample do you need to have in order to meet certain conditions? And so in many cases, population parameters are not actually values that are easy to calculate. And so we try to estimate them using information that we get from a smaller subcollection of the population. We call that a sample. And so we're going to discuss how to create confidence intervals, which is an interval of values that helps us estimate our population parameters. And by population parameters, the two parameters that we're going to try to estimate include proportions, population proportions, and also population means. And so that's basically what this module is going to discuss. And so we're going to use both the TI graphing calculator. I'm going to have videos discussing how to calculate these intervals by hand using formulas, and also how to use the graphing calculator. The choice to use the graphing calculator or the formulas is up to you. I recommend when you're working through these problems that you actually do it both ways. I think it's good practice to do it both ways. And so below, if you go to the resource book, you're going to have, once again, the textbook reading assignments. We're going to have lecture notes that I've typed up and provided for you. And then they're going to also have lecture videos. These lecture videos are instructor created, and they're going to include steps on how to do this by hand, using the formulas, and also how to use the graphing calculator as well. And so once you're done accessing the resources here, reading, taking notes, watching the videos, you are ready to begin your homework, which is going to be found not on Moodle, but on MyStatLab. Okay, and once you're done with this, this resource book, you actually have Module 5 quiz here. That is going to be a quiz on the content learned in this module. You're going to have 2 attempts at it, and each attempt is going to be 15 minutes. There's going to be 10 questions. They're going to either be true and false, or they're going to be multiple choice. So good luck with this module, and let me know if you have any questions.